Hello, my name is Lisa Patrizio, for those of you who don't know me, and I own Mind, Body, and Soul Fitness. I want to thank you so much for stopping by my channel. If you like what you hear, I've got a subscribe button linked. I've also have a website and a Facebook page that you can also subscribe to so you don't miss any updates. I want to talk today about how to do a short 2-minute meditation to help with not eating your feelings. We've been talking a lot about not eating feelings, and for those of you who I've been working with and I've given you various homework assignments, here is something else that you can do, and any of you can do this. But when you're starting to feel like you're just about to reach for something because you're anxious or you're feeling overwhelmed, or insert whatever feeling you're feeling at that moment, stop. Okay, I want you to write these things down because I want you to be able to do, it's a quick meditation. Now, I always start my meditations in the sign of the cross. I always seal myself with the sign of the cross. And I always invite the Holy Spirit to be with me during my prayer time, always. So I invite you to start that way as well. And I just kind of take a couple of deep breaths. So the first thing I do is I say, God, I praise you for who you are, and I see your greatness and I see your glory in these ways today. And then I list all of where I saw God's greatness and his glory. In the people, in the landscape, in comments, in anything, wherever, list them. Just write them out or go through them in your head. Next, I will acknowledge, this is what I say, I acknowledge that I am sinful and I am extremely needful of your mercy and your love, and please forgive me for blah, blah, blah. So whatever, insert whatever I feel that I need to ask for forgiveness. Then I say I'm very thankful, very, very thankful for the gifts and for the clients and for my family. And I start to list all of the things that I am so thankful for and grateful for. One of them is health right now because we're in a pandemic. And then the last thing I will say is that I turn to you and ask you for your help in, and then I would list what I'm needing help with that day. And then I will say, I also ask for intercession for these clients. Because you all ask me, well, most of you will ask for prayers. So at that moment in my day, I stop and I will offer up your intentions at this point and pray for you all. So that is how I go through the short mini meditation. And then I will have in the bottom in the comments, I will have these questions. And then I just journal my thoughts. I always keep my journal with me, and I journal exactly what I'm hearing. Sometimes I'll just sit and be still and just be happy. And sometimes I'm feverishly writing. And then when I'm done, then again, I seal myself in the cross and I ask the Lord for additional help through the day, and I thank the Holy Spirit for being present. And that's how you do a short 2-minute meditation. And I can tell you, at the end of that, you'll feel calm, you'll feel collected, you'll feel really, really good, and you won't reach for that cookie. So give it a try. Leave your comments down. I'd love to hear what else you'd like to hear about. Give me any comments, like it, subscribe to my Facebook page, and check me out on my website. All the links are below, and I want to thank you for stopping by. Have a blessed day.